everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you are looking for a great coffee maker that does the job but is also gorgeous, you definitely need to check this one by HADEN. This is a vintage retro coffee maker, and I chose this beautiful ivory with copper color. I really love its appearance. It has this beautiful retro look, super modern, super classy, and I love its simplicity. It's very easy to use. You're going to see that the functions and the settings are the following. You can keep warm your coffee. You can delay the brewing by setting the timer, and you can also choose the strength of it. I really like how well made this is. I like that it's plastic free, and it also has a reusable filter. This makes great coffee. It's super quiet. I love that it's super easy to maintain as well. And it has a beautiful appearance. HADEN has a variety of awesome products that are all super unique, like its toaster and its blender. I highly recommend this product. It would literally make the perfect gift. So if you're looking for something that's going to bring style to your kitchen, I highly recommend this coffee maker by HADEN, and that is my point of view.